Hi guys, Liz here. Happy Wednesday to you. Well, I'm sitting in my dining room and I just got home from running errands and going to the grocery store, and I came home, I put all my groceries away, and I'm just dying. I'm dying. Guys, it is so hot here today. When we got up this morning, every single window in the house you couldn't even see out of because of the humidity. It was just like condensation everywhere. And when I saw that, I'm like, oh boy, it's gonna be a hot one today, and it is. It is so hot. In fact, it's so hot, it's just too hot to decorate. It just is. Then my hubby called and he said, hey, you're gonna have to kick the air conditioning, up, thermostats up a little bit, or we are going to overload both units and blow them. So again, another added problem. It's just too hot to decorate. So with that said, we're gonna do a bit of a fall haul. Oh yes, I'm going there. A fall haul from Hobby Lobby, and yeah, that's about it. I got stuff on the cheap. I got some stuff for $4, guys, and for under $1. I couldn't believe it. So, I mean, I didn't get a lot. To me, it's not a lot, but yeah, I kind of want to share with you where I'm going with my fall. I think I'm going with it. We'll see. So this will be sort of a fall haul chit chat, and I may answer some questions from my last video. I know a lot of people say, where did you get that like candle chandelier, and where did you get this, and where did you get that? So I'll just answer those briefly at the end. And yeah, so that's what we're doing today. Can't talk, can't think, it's just too hot. It's too hot. My brain is fried. All right, so let's do a little chit chat, shall we? So first of all, I want to thank you guys so much for your sweet comments on my dining room Tuscan farmhouse, modern farmhouse video. And you know what? So I feel like the consensus is, from the majority of the community, is that most of you also miss Tuscan style. So I was like, you know what? A lot of people said it's a way of living. It's a way of life. It never goes out of style. And so I thought, so true. Why did I ever stop that? So with that said, I am going Tuscan, peeps. I'm going Tuscan. I'm bringing back rich colors. A little bit more of an elegant look. As far as elegant in the way I know how to do it. You know, I'm not a fancy schmancy person, but I'm gonna do elegant the way I know how to do it. And I think that's where I'm gonna steer my house this fall and Christmas. We shall see. As much as I love farmhouse, and I do, and I'm not knocking it for anyone that decorates in that style, because I love it. But I think this fall, I don't want my house to look so cutesy pootsy. You know what I mean? I want it to look a little more classy, classic, and elegant, if that makes sense. So that's where I'm heading. That's where I think I'm heading. So with that said, let's get into the video, and I'll share with you kind of what I'm thinking. So when I was at Hobby Lobby, I was going down this little aisle with my cart, and there was a gentleman working down that aisle, and he said, just so you know, everything down this aisle that's typically 75% off, he's like, we're marking it down to 90% off today. I said, what? Back up, did you say 90%? And he said, yep. And he said, so if you have any questions on anything with a 75% off sticker, ask me, I'll remark it to 90%. I said, okay. So I was like browsing the aisles. I was like, totally scoping things out. Like, what do I see? Unfortunately, there wasn't a ton that I wanted, but I got this shelf because I wanted, you know how I've got a lot of white furniture on that side of the house? I kind of want to add in some black for fall and Christmas. And anyway, so I got this shelf. It's beat up, guys. It's beat up, but for $4, I'm like, I can conceal the messed up parts with greenery or something, or I can draw in with a Sharpie or something. But anyway, I got this shelf for $4. $4. And then you can see right here, it's a little beat up, but hello, I can put a little greenery there. And right here, I can get a black Sharpie and fill that in. And I like this shelf because you can put plates up top. But hello, would this not look beautiful for fall? So that was a score. Then I got all of these these were all 90% off, and I got these for, sorry about that, 69 cents for fall. Hello. I just got 4 of them, and they're real big, tall ones. But what were these originally? I don't know what these were originally, but hello, 69 cents. And I can make a pretty display with these, you know. So I got those. And I made an arrangement last week with this. This was marked down, and I got this for 95 cents. And it was just one, it was the last one. And you can see I have those there, so I'm just gonna fill in with this. And you know, fall I can do something with this. So stay tuned for that. What else did I get for, those were just the 90% off, I think. But then I got this big basket for 75% off. And I'm gonna put this on my hutch, probably in the family room. And I'm gonna put this on the top hutch, and I'm gonna fill in with greenery and pumpkins in the center of it. But I'm gonna lean it just like this, and then do like a pretty vignette right in here. And anyway, this was originally $39.99, and I got it for 75% off. So that was a good deal. Then, oh, I got a lot of my greenery today for 50% off. So these are some of my favorite ones to work with, because this was $11.99 each, but 50% off. You can spread these out, and they look kind of twiggy, but with, you know, fall colors, it's gonna be gorgeous. So I just got 2 of these. See how they look like that, but when you spread them out, they look so pretty. So I got 2 of those. These are like my go-to greenery that I've got all over my house. These were originally $5.99, 50% off. And these you could kind of spread out and put these in displays. Can you imagine some fall leaves and pumpkins in here? So I got some of those. Then I got a whole bunch of these, because this is where I'm going with my colors. See these leaves? Aren't these beautiful? Does that not say fall? And anyway, I think I got 10 of these. These were 40% off, $2.99 each, and I got them 40% off. But these are really pretty. You could stick these off a mantle and kind of having them cascade off. I mean, there's so much you can do with these. So I got a whole bunch of those. And then I thought what would look really pretty with those colors is to add in some of these. So if you look at this, then mixed with this, how pretty is that? This is kind of soft and muted, so are these. They're not screaming, you know, those big bright orange colors, although I will be putting those in my house. I thought this would be nice, possibly in this dining room or the home office. So anyway, I got a bunch of these. And then I'm going to be introducing feathers, because I used to do that during the Tuscan days. So these, how much were these? These were originally $11.99 each, and I got them I can't remember. I think these were 40% off. But aren't those pretty? And then, like I said, with these colors, does that not say fall, Thanksgiving? I just love it. I love it. Then, check out what else I got. I got a whole bunch of wheat. And these were $7.99 each, 40% off. How do you like that? I forgot to add my 40% off coupon. Anyway, They didn't even ask me for it like they normally do either. Anyway, I saw a really cute idea with wheat on the internet, and I am so gonna replicate it. You guys are gonna love it. So I got that. Then, all right, then I was going down the sign area and I was like, Liz, you don't need any more signs. And then, of course, the bad Liz was like, yes, you do. Yes, you do. Get a sign, get multiple signs. So I got two. Anyway, the bad Liz won out, yep. Anyway, I got this one. How cute. It says, Autumn Acres Pumpkin Patch, Apple Cider Hayrides, and Hot Cocoa. And this, they had one in green too, but I like this one, just popped to me. This was $19.99, 40% off. So cute. And then, like I said, I'm gonna be adding some black in here. So I got this for, I couldn't believe it. She gave this to me for $4. I was like, wow, are you serious? She goes, yep, $4. This says Farmer's Market. But, so I'm gonna do like a farmer's market display with pumpkins and greenery and gourds and corn husks and all that. So I think this will be really cute. So yes, some of it still is farmhouse, but I'm gonna amp it up and make it look a little more elegant. At least that's what I hope to do. And then I got this. This was in the spring shop. This was originally $19.99 and I got it 75% off. So I was hoping this would have been more creamy looking and it's more white, but it looks rustic. It can look Tuscan. I'm gonna make it look Tuscan farmhouse. So I can do a pretty arrangement in this. So stay tuned for that. But that's all I got. And then I've got several things I ordered on Amazon from when they had Amazon Prime Day, and they're coming today. So if they end up coming, I might do a pop-up video tomorrow for you, or I might just throw that into Friday's video. So we shall see. But I bought myself a maple tree for fall. I think it's a maple tree. And then I bought myself some fall plates, and what else? Oh, I got this on Amazon. Hold on. All right, guys, I was just browsing Amazon during Amazon Prime Day, and sorry, I saw FedEx truck go by. I'm like, yes, my maple tree's here, but he went right past the house. Anyway, while I was browsing the other day, I came across these lanterns, and I thought, how unique. Where did I put the remote? Anyway, check these out. On the surface, they don't look like anything special, right? Right? Wait for it. Wait for it. Okay, these come with a remote. They come together, two in a set. Another bonus is it comes with the batteries. You don't have to go out and buy separate batteries. And this remote, check it out. How do I do this? Watch. Here's the remote. It mimics a real looking, like like those little gas lamps, lights they have. Hello, how cool is that? You guys, and at night it looks super cute. And I've got this big bright light on me right now. Let me show you. Isn't that cool? I just love these. And you can make it just not flicker. Okay, let's see. So you can leave it just like that, or you can have it flicker like a real candle, or like a, like fire. It looks awesome. So these will be so cute in my fall displays, and I even saw some that mimic a fireplace, and I might have to pop for those because those were super cute too. But I got some really cute hooks from Hobby Lobby, so if I wanted to, I could hang these on the wall, and you could do a beautiful bow display right here for fall, you know, and add some greenery or florals to it. Hang it from a ladder, hang it from wherever, but so cute, so cute. Those would even be adorbs out on your front porch, on your back porch, and there you can do a timer. These are, and it's just awesome. So I highly recommend these. They're awesome. Like I said, they come with the batteries, and when you get it, the only thing that's off is this. So all I had to do was screw this in, like big whoop-de-doo, right? And then it goes in nice and tight. So love these, love these. So anyway, guys, that's my haul today, and I'm so sorry this video is so short, but it's just too hot. It's just too hot. Now, see? Whoa, how did that happen? Hold on a second. So a lot of you were asking, where did I get this candle chandelier? I actually got it at Ross like 2 years ago. And hold off, guys, because if you like it, they usually have several of these come in the fall time frame. So I saw a bunch of these last year at my Ross, so you might luck out if you like it. But yeah, I think it's really pretty. I must have used the wrong remote, because I was like, how did those lights get turned on? I must have accidentally pushed it and it put all my candles on. And a lot of people also asked, where did I get those candles? So I will link those in the description box. They were linked in my, they were linked in the description box on my last video, but I'll do it again in case you didn't see it. So anyway, that's it, guys, that's it. I'm trying to think, did anybody else ask? Oh, a couple people asked where I got that, sorry about this, that lantern over there, the one that looks like kind of like a lantern terrarium kind of a thing. Home Goods, Home Goods. And a lot of people asked where I got those lights. Those were Home Goods as well. So anyway, oh, somebody also asked this. Somebody asked where I got my rooster. I got that at Home Goods a few years ago, and then somebody asked where I got that little candle like house thing. I got that at TJ Maxx. You can usually find those at TJ Maxx and Marshalls. So anyway, and then I also had several people ask where did I get my long mirror right there. I got that at Bassett Furniture. So anyway, I hope that helps. And y'all, come back and see me Friday. I'm not sure what we'll be working on, but I'm kind of wanting to go over to the home office and spruce that up. I still haven't done anything since spring, so the beginning of spring. So anyway, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by, for your love and support. And I'm so sorry I didn't get back to any of your questions that you've asked. You guys, it's just been crazy, busy, hot, and this mom is tired. So I'm so sorry. I feel terrible. But you guys know I love you so much. And I'll see you guys Friday. Bye, guys.